What's the word? What's the word? What's the mother word, man? Tap in, bro. Today we here to talk about Keefe D again and how now, after he got away with one of the most sinister acts in music history, is now being charged for the same thing. Y'all get in here, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. Do that for your boy. Do that for your boy. Do that for your boy. Now, if you know and if you don't know, let me go on lace you up, man. Now, Keefe D is an individual out of Los Angeles. I don't know what section he's from. Do know he's part of the Crips. His nephew, I think that's who it is, Orlando Anderson, had an altercation with Tupac Shakur back in the day. It's said because the proffer statement that this man signed back in the day, you feel me, when he got caught with a bunch of drugs, ended up telling on some dead folks, you feel me, and, you know, because, well, I can't say telling on dead folks. He made it seem like the other people in the car were responsible for the shooting in the Tupac Shakur case. And when he did that, the detective that was, I think his name Greg Keating or something like that, who was running down this case, eventually, you know, kind of put two and two together and, you know, it's saying it involved P. Diddy, saying it involved the Crips, saying that, you know, hey, he knew it was a gang war going on and, you know, he paid for protection. P. Diddy did, whatever. And Keefe D was giving this information up, you feel me? Like, giving this information up. And at the time, you know, since he signed the proffer agreement, you know, he was safe. As long as he just kept, as long as he spoke on the things that was in the proffer statement as they were, you feel me? If he veered off any from what he said in the proffer statement, you know, they can come back and charge you. And in this case, that's what they did, because this fool done went out and wrote a book, y'all. Like the same thing OJ was doing. Like, bro, like, they saying OJ didn't do it. I don't know. I wasn't alive back then. They saying it was a serial killer out and about. You feel me? I do not know. Around that time, I was young, but you know, there is evidence to show that, you know, the OJ case could have went a different way. That's not to say that Keefe D did this or did that, or OJ did this or did that. It's about perception. And when you're involved in something or you're close to something, you got to watch what you say and do, because, you know, regardless of what you know, how things can seem can get you in trouble. You feel me? And I ain't going to say it's a lot of people in jail for, you know, just perception, but there are people there for, you know, hey, I did this, said that, you feel me, and it looked like this and shit. They proved it, you know what I'm saying? Not to say that it's a lot of them, but it's some of them. And, hey, I get it at the end of the day. You know, we think that, hey, this is over, this is behind us, you know, you can speak on it, stuff like that. That's why you'll hear me on here speaking about stuff that's like, it's vague, you feel me? Like, I'm going to give a different name, whatever the case may be. Like, yeah, I'm just not going to speak on it at all for the most part. Shit, if it's something that's going to give me some time, y'all crazy as hell, fam. I'm not doing it, feel me? Like, I'd rather just, you know, build my little grind up, you know what I'm saying, and try and get a viral moment. Now, Keefe D has been seeking those viral moments. And with him taking every opportunity to go and talk about this Tupac Shakur case and how he was in the car and doing this, doing that, whatever the case may be, he lost sight of the goal at the end of the day, which is to stay free. Now, he became an old man, you feel me, got away with what he got away with, but, you know, his mouth, talking about the situation, trying to make money off of it, is what got him in trouble. You feel me? He was on every show, every podcast, you know, talking crazy, talking smack. You feel me? Like, and it's like one of those things, like, you only could talk so much before somebody react, or, you know, somebody, you know, comes out and, you know, tries to take you to court or, you know, jail, or, you know, because, you know, they could have sued him. You know what I'm saying? For, saying this and that. But, the police are like, don't even worry about it. We finna go and take him down. And that's what they did. He got caught next month for the murder of Tupac Shakur. What is this, 30 years later? 30 years later, bro. Yeah, 30 years later. What was it, 20? Might be 20. I don't know. 27. 30. 30 years later. 30 years later, y'all. Yeah. It's early in the morning. I'm tired. I took a nap. You feel me? Let me make it, y'all. Let me make it. Now, this has got to be some of the dumbest shit you can ever be involved in. You get away with a crime. Talk to the police about it. They let you get away with the crime by how you put it. You keep running your dick suckers. You feel me? And they get you in a situation where you got to kiss some ass to get out. Only there ain't no ass for you to kiss to get out. You feel me? Like, because you've been running your dick suckers too much. Now it's just a bad situation to be in, and now the shit done hit the fan. Lord have mercy. You deserve whatever happened to you, big dog. Hey, y'all get down in the comments, man, and let me know what y'all think about Keefe D going on trial for the murder of Tupac Shakur, man. How you going on trial for murder of Tupac Shakur when he's saying that Diddy had something to do with it and Diddy ain't even brought up in it? That crazy, ain't it? Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Until then, I holla.